Hi, I'm Gautam. I have developed my project in RPA for Fun category, and the name of the project is Radio Bulletin. So, first, what is Radio Bulletin and how it can be helpful for us every day? As time evolved and the internet is making our life easier day by day, reading the newspapers has also changed from the physical paper to e-paper. Radio Bulletin is a news telling process which gives the user an option to listen the important news from all across the world. It picks up the important headlines from the major national newspapers. For me personally, this bot helped me a lot by saving my time in reading. You can use this bot as a newsreader. Let's jump inside the code and see the functionalities. This is the first sequence. Taking the user input through HTML form by using custom input activity. If you see the code inside HTML, it contains HTML code, CSS code as well as JavaScript. I have created three variables: country, category and gender. This collects information from the HTML form. And finally, by collecting all the information, constructing a JSON string, namely output string. Once the JSON string has collected, we should send it back to the Uipath by using window.external command. After collecting the information and saving it in variable, we should pass to an application. We should pass to an API. So basically, to communicate between any applications, we need HTTP request. Here we need to collect the information, we need to receive the information. So that I'm using get request with this as an endpoint. Parameters, three parameters: language, country and category. And I'm displaying the status and deserializing JSON from string to a JSON object. So if you run the program, let's just quickly run the program. So if you are facing this problem, if the content is blocked, please click allow blocked content. And this is the basic UI. General, technology, entertainment, business, sports, health and science. These are the 7 categories, and you should select one country out of 35 major countries, and you should select one. I'm selecting science and I'm selecting a female voice. Submit.
Astronomers obtained the first detailed face-on view of a gaseous disk feeding the growth of a massive baby star. They found that it shares many common features with lighter baby stars. This implies that the process of star formation is the same, regardless of record-shattering gamma rays from exploded star detected by observatory.
Let's try for another option because this would take more time. So if you run, so this time I'm selecting a different option. Country as India. This time let's select business and male voice.
Ajit Mishra of Religair Broking said the market tone is clearly negative and Nifty could inch further lower and test 11,400 ahead. International business news: Hong Kong/London, summoned by HR to be handed a Deutsche Bank envelope. Many of its staff across the world then left.
Stopped because this will take more time. And let's see the output quickly. So if you see the output, I'm displaying the log messages, which country, category and gender, calling an API, status is okay. Totally we have 70 different news. Inside that we have an article. I need to iterate only articles from first article to the 70th article, and then I'm passing description. If you see the code, After getting the JSON string like this, I'm doing string manipulation, and here I'm passing result JSON object of articles, and here I'm calling a method called speak, and here I'm verifying which options has been selected by user, and here I'm passing a description. So it would iterate from first to a last news. So thanks for listening. Hope you had a good time.